Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, pause the game and open options. This saves time. Navigate to controls, then scroll to quality of life or the tether subsection. This is where tether distance lives. Make sure your Ps5 controller is active so button prompts match. If you use custom binds, note them. Once you see tether options, don't change everything at once. Adjust only the distance slider or numeric value. This prevents unintended behavior and lets you test the new range immediately in-game. Now change the distance. Move the slider or enter a numeric value in meters to widen or shorten tether range. Small increments are safer. Once you set it, choose Apply or Confirm, then save your profile or game settings before backing out of menus so changes persist. Immediately spawn one creature and tether it to test. Observe follow and leash behavior for a few minutes. If it snaps or lags, return and change by smaller steps until movement looks reliable and natural. Finish by testing across situations. Multiple creatures, water, slopes, this confirms stability. If tethers misbehave, reset that option to default, save, then reapply a smaller adjustment. This often clears odd states. Make sure your game and server mods are up to date, because mods or outdated patches frequently cause tether glitches. If problems continue, restart the game or the console and retest. If nothing helps, revert to defaults and report the bug with steps to reproduce for faster support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.